Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Now make sure that this option stays on and then click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, more, I agree. And then you can click back and click back again. And then go to lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.